Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Elantra. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter underneath the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process, saving you time and effort later on. Let's get started with the actual draining. Now that you're prepared, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing immediately. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, you can reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful car maintenance tips. And on another note, if your car's interior could use a refresh, why not grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener? Life's too short for a stinky car, right? It's a quick and easy way to make your ride more enjoyable. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then add about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port, checking the dipstick as you go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.